Welcome to our Website Builder Site Starter Guide, the easiest and fastest way to create a great-looking website for your business. Today, we'll be adding social media buttons so your visitors have more options to connect with you. Website Builder allows you to add buttons wherever you like. For this example, let's look at the footer block. Click Build, then click Social, and then drag and drop the Social Buttons feature onto your website. Access its options by clicking Edit. If you want to remove any of the pre-added buttons, click the Delete icon. Click Add Social Network to add more buttons. Then drag the buttons up or down to change the order. Click Design to set the alignment and size. Customize the icon and hover color. You can also change the social button style. Click Edit to connect each button to your social media accounts. Then, set whether or not you want them to open in a new tab. These steps are slightly different if you're trying to add social buttons to your menu. Click Layout, then click Add Feature, and select Social Buttons. Click Edit. Here, you can add or remove buttons, rearrange them, and connect them to your social network accounts. One thing to note, the items in your menu are dependent on your theme settings. Congratulations! You've just added social buttons to your website.